Hello, kids! Let's draw Patrick's star. Easy. Step by step.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Step 1, head. Step 2, hands. Step 3, body. Step 4, shorts. Step 5, legs. Step 6, eyes and brows. Step 7, mouth. Let's color.